Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can create beautiful and meaningful Islamic videos using a simple app called InShot. You don't need any professional editing skills or fancy, expensive equipment. All you need is your smartphone, the InShot app, and a sincere intention to share beneficial Islamic reminders with the world. So, let's get started and learn how to create content that can inspire and benefit others. When you open it, you'll see a few options on the main screen: video, photo, and collage. Here, you need to select the background clips you want to use for your video. Think about the mood you want to create. You can use clips of serene mosque architecture, beautiful scenes from nature like a sunset or a calm forest, shots of the sky with clouds, or even close-ups of Quran pages. Any visuals that feel peaceful and calming will work perfectly. For that, you should select the 9:16 ratio. Choosing the right size ensures your video fits the screen perfectly on each platform, giving it a polished and professional look right from the start. With our visuals and format ready, it's time to add the most important element, the voiceover. Your message is what will truly connect with your viewers. In the toolbar at the bottom, tap on the music option. Don't rush your words. Speak with sincerity from the heart, because a soft and peaceful voice has a powerful way of reaching the hearts of the listeners. If you make a mistake while recording, don't worry. After you've recorded your voiceover, the next step is to add supporting text. This could be Quranic verses, powerful hadith duas, or just shortly impactful Islamic reminders. To do this, tap on the text option in the main toolbar. Type out the text you want to display. Now, let's talk about styling. It's best to keep the text simple, clean, and easy to read. InShot offers many fonts, so choose one that is elegant but not too complicated. When it comes to color, white or other light colors usually stand out best against darker or natural backgrounds. Also, think about placement. Position the text carefully on the screen so that it doesn't cover up any important visuals in your background clips. You can adjust the size and position of the text by dragging it with your finger. Remember, the text should complement the video, not distract from it. Now, to add a bit more atmosphere to your video, let's add some background sound. Tap on the music option again, but this time go to tracks. Here, you can add a soft instrumental Islamic nasheed or any peaceful, royalty-free instrumental music. The key here is the volume. The background sound should be very subtle. After adding the track, tap on it in the timeline, select the volume option, and lower it down to about 10 or 15%. The purpose of the background sound is to create a serene mood and support the main message, not to overpower your voiceover. Your voice should always be the primary focus. To make your video flow more smoothly from one clip to the next, we need to add transitions. On your timeline, you'll see a small white icon between each of your video clips. Tap on that icon. This will open up the transitions menu. For Islamic videos, it's best to stick to smooth and subtle transitions like fade or dissolve. I would suggest avoiding flashy or very fast effects, as they can disrupt the calm and respectful feeling we are trying to create. Islamic reminders should feel soothing and peaceful. Simple, clean transitions help maintain that atmosphere and make the viewing experience seamless and pleasant for your audience. It makes the whole video feel more polished and professionally edited. Next, we can make some minor visual improvements using filters and adjustments. In the main toolbar, you'll find options for filter and adjust. You can tap on filter to see some pre-made color effects, but I recommend using the adjust tool for more control. Here, you can slightly increase the brightness if your clips are too dark. Maybe reduce the contrast just a little to soften the image, or add a slight warm tone to make the video feel more inviting. The golden rule here is less is more. Don't overdo it with filters or heavy adjustments. The goal is to keep the video looking natural and beautiful, not artificially edited. A few small tweaks can enhance the visual quality without being distracting. We're almost done. Before you export your video, it's crucial to preview the entire thing from start to finish. Play it back and watch carefully. Listen to your voice over. Is it clear? Is the text easy to read and correctly timed? Do the transitions feel smooth? Does the background music feel balanced? This is your chance to catch any small mistakes and make final adjustments. Maybe a text box needs to stay on screen a little longer, or a clip needs to be trimmed. Once you are completely satisfied with how everything looks and sounds, you are ready for the final step. Finally, it's time to export and save your video. Look for the export button, which is usually in the top right corner of the screen. When you tap it, you'll see a few options for video quality. For the best results that will look great on any platform, I recommend selecting a resolution of 1080p and a frame rate of 30 frames per second, or FPS. Make sure the quality setting is set too high. Then, tap Export, and InShot will begin to process and save your video to your phone's gallery. And that's it. Your beautiful Islamic video is now ready to be shared. You can upload it to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform to spread a positive and authentic message. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful and inspires you to create your own content. Always remember to seek knowledge from authentic sources and to share messages of goodness, hope, and faith. If you found this video beneficial, please consider liking it, sharing it with others who might be interested, and subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this one. May Allah accept your efforts and reward you for every bit of good that you spread. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.